In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 260 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the two digits, that is the number 26. We know that 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 is closer to 26. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 260 divided by 5 is equal to 52. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.